Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you amazing and unique design. Beautiful and amazing ideas are here. So viewers, welcome to the Chris Xmas Craft Benefits and Decoration using jute and perfect for DIY home decor. Welcome to today's Xmas Craft video. In this video season, let's explore the beauty of handmade decoration using simple and natural things. So in this festive season, let's explore the beauty of handmade decoration using simple and natural materials like jute, pinecone and recycled items. Not only are these crafts budget friendly, but they also bring a warm rustic charm in your home. Also, crafting Xmas isn't just about decorating, it's about connecting heart and spreading joy. It reduces stress and helps you relax. It brings families together. Kids, parents, and grandparents also all enjoy creating something beautiful. Homemade crafts are eco-friendly and reduce plastic. You can even sell your craft online or at local fairs to earn extra income during the holiday. Jute is a natural fiber that gives a rustic earthy touch to your Xmas decor. It's affordable and biodegradable. Jute rope twine or fabric can be used for wreath, table runners, ornaments, or gift wrapping. You can mix jute with lace, ribbons, pine cones, or fairy lights for a cozy farmhouse look. Here's a few creative ideas. Jute wreath, wrap a cardboard ring, jute rope with and pinecone berries and red ribbon bow. Mini jute trees. Use paper pine cones, cover them with jute twine or decorate with beads or bells. Candle holders. Wrap glass jars with jute lace or add small ornaments, perfect for warm candlelight glow. Gift tags. Cut small pieces of cardboard, cover with jute and write heartfelt Xmas message. So this Xmas, instead of buying expensive decor, make your own magic with simple things like jute, pine cones, old fabrics, and your imagination. Crafting isn't just an art, it's a way to fill your home with love, creativity, and sustainability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Xmas craft ideas. In this video, I'm gonna take you to the world of creativity. Very beautiful things, small things, very beautiful and amazing things are here for you. Very creative things are here for you. So in this video, we are sharing some uniquely dressed up fabricated beautiful crafting ideas are here, and you can watch it on my channel. Keep giving us these type of amazing your replies, your content. I really love them. I really want to reply them, and you are loved for me. And I think we are sharing we try to bring best and beautiful ideas for you, best and beautiful designs for you, because every designs are unique and every designs are beautiful. So in this video we are sharing uniquely and gorgeously designed beautiful ideas too. So here are some amazing and unique designs. Here are some beautiful ideas are here. So viewers, what do you think about that? These video are amazing and unique or two. So I will definitely try to upload making some unique and new designs, making some new ideas, making some beautiful designs too. Make some designs with cardboard, with jute, with burlap, something new, add some grass, add some ideas.